The Department of Labor recently released their quarterly data summary for October to December of 2015. Utah continues to rank as one of the lowest states when it comes to duration in terms of how many weeks an individual actually files and collects unemployment benefits. The average individual qualifies for 21.7 weeks and collects 12.1, meaning that they're returning to work after only collecting about half of which they qualify for. Employers pay contributions on wages up to a particular taxable wage base. So for calendar year 2016, that's $32,200, or 75% of Utah's annual average wage. During the most recent quarter, the average contribution rate for total wages was 0.6%, which is well below the national average of 0.74%. The balance of our trust fund is healthy, and that translates to a reduced liability for Utah employers. For every $10,000 in wages that are being paid out, employers are paying about $60 so that their employees have unemployment insurance coverage. In a discussion about coverage, there's this fundamental question of, are the workers employees or independent contractors? Under Utah statute, it's presumed that a worker is an employee that's subject to unemployment insurance coverage. However, if it can be shown that that individual is operating in their own business and that they're free from control and direction of the company, then there may be an argument for independent contractor status. There's not a straightforward way of identifying how many individuals in Utah are operating as independent contractors. This quarterly data summary shows that 91% of Utah's employed labor force are currently covered under unemployment insurance, and that's comparable to the national average of 92%. For the remaining 9% of Utah's employed workforce, about 124,000 individuals, they're either operating their own business, they're on a temporary leave of absence with their employer, or they could also be working in other non-covered activities such as agricultural work. The unemployment insurance program preserves a worker's skills and experience, which ultimately benefits the greater Utah economy. When unemployment does happen, we're here to help both employers and employees get back to work.